Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P Technology to the Point. If you want to learn Python programming language, as you know, it is high level programming language which is used for many new technology. If you want to learn from the very beginning, this course is for 15.5 hours, more than 15 hours. So you can claim it up for free. In this video, I'm going to share you the coupon code that will help you to enroll for this course. Once you will enroll, it will be with you for lifetime. Hey guys, once you will click on the link which is given in description box, you will come up on this particular page where you can see the course name is mentioned, that is Python Programming Complete Beginner Course Bootcamp 2021. So in this course, if you will see the content of this page that is having 15.5 hours. That is too much for any programming language if you want to learn from very beginning. If you go through the content in the down, you can see it is starting from the installation of Python till exception handling. So it covers everything like variables, collections, loops, object-oriented programming methods, classes, and inheritance. Everything it will cover, and also you will get full-time access on Udemy. You know that whatever course you purchase in Udemy, you will have lifetime access of that one once you enroll for that one. So here, what I'm going to give you, I'm going to give you a coupon code that you can use it, but I'm not sure how long it will be activated. I'm just using right now when I'm creating this video, and within 5 minutes I'll upload this video as well. So for right now the coupon is working. So the coupon code is free happy hyphen v hyphen da by. Also, I just want to say that this coupon is not generated by me. It is generated by the creator. So they just want to promote their course, they want to distribute, they want to increase the count of their students, so they generate such coupons on particular occasion, like for Valentine Day they are giving this. When you will click on apply, you can see now this course is available for free. Once you will click on enroll now, you just need to log in. Okay, then you need to provide your account name. This account name I will hide it. Okay, so once you will click it, it will ask your location. For me, like in India, I'm choosing Maharashtra. So once I'll click on enroll, it will say that I am enrolled. Thank you very much, T3P. And the thing is, now I am ready to start learning from this course. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this course, and once you like this course, then give the rating accordingly. I'm not associated with the creator. I just want to share with you so you can learn more about it. If you are looking for such content in future as well, such courses, then mention in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe and get the click on bell icon. The reason is whenever I provide this course, I'm also not sure how long it will be activated. So I just want to make sure that you get benefit out of it. So thank you for watching. See you in next video.